Hi, in this special video presentation, I'm going to share with you 5 types of posts that get high responses and engagement on social media. So if you're looking to engage with your audience, create more trust, and build authority in your field, then here are 5 types of posts that you can try on your next update. The first type of post is a list of tips. Things like top lists always get good response rates. You can create a top list in any industry. Some examples are top 10 tips for burning off belly fat, 3 simple ways to make a detox juice, 7 top tools I use to get more sales. So you simply list it down as your status update, for example on Facebook and LinkedIn. You don't necessarily need to post something on your blog and then share that link on Facebook and other social media platforms. You can simply list it down right in that platform, whether it's Google Plus or Facebook. The next type of post is to ask questions. So what better way to create more engagement by asking your audience? Your questions could be as simple or as complex as you'd like it to be. You could even ask which is better, version A or version B. For example, if you're getting a new logo done, you can put both side by side and ask your audience which one looks better, A or B. This normally gets a lot of attention and creates more of that engagement. Not only will your fans or followers engage, their friends will also engage in it too. In addition, if you're unsure or you're experiencing a struggle, why not ask your audience? It's a great way to get instant feedback. Thirdly, you can share a story. Stories are powerful. We all grow up with stories. They're easy to relate to than technical jargon. And your story doesn't have to start with once upon a time. It could be as simple as I was walking down the main road one day until, and you can fill in the blanks. All you need to do is really just tie it in with some sort of lesson to share with your audience and you'll grab lots of eyeballs. Fourth, you can start a competition. The best way to approach this is to post a photo and ask your audience to tag a friend that would like what is related to your post. Those who tag will get a chance to win the prize in the end. This will create a viral aspect and get your brand and business out there. To draw the winner, it's as simple as scrolling and then randomly selecting one of the person's comments and then seeing who tagged it and then prizing that winner. Lastly, add a personal touch to your post. At the end of the day, social media is about being social, so it's okay to get personal sometimes. You can share your thoughts, feelings and honest truth, especially if you're a solopreneur. People connect easier with those that they can relate to. By being personal, you add trust and authenticity. So feel free to share a photo of yourself and your life. It really doesn't hurt. Just know where the fine line is between sharing and sharing too much info. So put these 5 different types of posts into action, choose one and start posting to your social profiles today.